Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how to set live wallpaper for Google Chrome on your PC. So first thing you need to do is go to your Google and type in what you want basically. So I decided to go with Lenovo wallpaper and add GIF. Here you will find image, select which one you like. Now save that image to your computer. So I will save it like here. Now go to the files, go to your folder files, and you will select here and rename this image. So I will rename it to PNG like that. Now I will close that. Go back and open up new tab in your Google Chrome. On the right bottom side, you will see this mark here. Click on that, open that, and here you can change theme. Press on that, and after that, upload an image from your computer. So I will go with that one. Open up, and as you can see now, we have new template which is moving as we saw here on this picture on Google. And now we have the background on Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment that you subscribe that I can personally thank you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.